Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful comparisons. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using these banks. Fifth Third Bank versus Santander Bank, which reigns supreme? In this video, we'll dissect Fifth Third Bank and Santander Bank, providing a detailed comparison to help you determine the best fit for your unique financial situation. Explore their offerings further using the links provided in the description below. Let's delve into the core features of each bank, identifying their ideal customer profiles, and highlighting which bank comes out on top. Fifth Third Bank, a long-standing financial institution, boasts a robust presence throughout the Midwest and Southeast regions of the United States. Renowned for its comprehensive suite of services, Fifth Third offers everything from checking and savings accounts to credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Their digital experience is top-notch, featuring a highly rated mobile application and online banking platform, catering to customers who prefer to manage their finances digitally. Furthermore, Fifth Third caters to businesses by providing business checking accounts, lending services, and merchant services, positioning them as a viable option for both individuals and business owners alike. With a strong emphasis on customer satisfaction, Fifth Third Bank has cultivated a reputation for providing excellent customer service and sound financial advice. On the other hand, Santander Bank, primarily serving the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic regions, is recognized for its competitive interest rates, particularly on savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDS. Santander also offers a diverse range of checking accounts, credit cards, loans, and mortgages. A key differentiator for Santander is its attractive cashback rewards program, which is particularly appealing to customers who frequently use their credit cards. The bank's mobile banking app is user-friendly, providing seamless access to account management tools and other financial resources. A notable advantage of Santander is its international banking capabilities, stemming from its connections to the Santander Group in Europe. This makes it a compelling choice for customers who require international fund transfers or frequently travel abroad. In summary, Fifth Third Bank is an excellent option for those seeking a broad array of financial services, personalized financial guidance, and a convenient digital banking experience, especially within the Midwest and Southeast. Conversely, Santander Bank is better suited for individuals prioritizing higher interest rates on savings, competitive credit card rewards, and robust international banking services. Utilize the links in the description to compare their specific product offerings and select the bank that aligns perfectly with your individual financial needs.